So as some of you may know, I have posted an unboxing video and review of this air fryer back in December 2020. Since then, I have gotten some comments and some questions that I truly appreciate. So with this, I'm here to give you my response to those comments and show you the overall condition of this air fryer after using it for almost 1.5 years. Also, I'd like to answer some of those questions I received in the first video. So first of all, I'd like to truly apologize for the sound quality of the first video. I had to remove the original sound because the original background music was dominating the voiceover. So hopefully in this video you can hear the actual sound that it makes while cooking. Oh, and also just to remind you that this is an honest review and I am not sponsored. I did purchase this myself online from the official store and it had to be delivered to me. So the first comment that I got was that it does not include a manual inside or any product details. Well, actually there is a manual and instructions guide. It shows the product details, safety information, using instructions with basic settings and presets depending on what you'd like to cook. Also carrying and cleaning instructions. Later in this video, I'll demonstrate how I clean the basket and the pan. Now another question that I got is it Teflon coated and is it still intact? Well, as you can see, it is. The basket is Teflon coated and it is still in good condition, as you can see. Just a bit stained on the piece connecting the basket and the handle. Even this pan is Teflon coated, and as you can see, it's still in good condition and it's still intact. So as long as you clean and maintain the pan and basket correctly, I think the Teflon would still be good, just like any other pan. So let me just show you the inside of this air fryer. It's just a bit stained. I've never wiped this before. So now let me just demonstrate how to air fry some of the food. Here I'm about to air fry some tofu and some tempeh. So at first I did use the preset, but I had to adjust it manually. Let's see how it turns out. Next, some French fries. Although using a preset, because I'm not frying very much, I can manually adjust the timing. I actually like the feel of the touch panel for this air fryer, but sometimes for some reason, the button doesn't respond. A nice large display of the temperature and time compared to a non-digital display on other models, which may be a bit small and hard to read. During air frying, you can even pause the process to check or add some other food to cook, which I did here. I decided to cook some hot dogs and nuggets in the middle of frying French fries. Now let's listen to how it sounds while air frying. Hope you can hear it. Not very loud at all. You can hear the sizzling sound of the freshly cooked food. Now let's see how well it's cooked and hear the crisp. Now after using it, let me demonstrate how I clean the basket and the pan. First, I just soak it in soapy water and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now always use the soft side of the sponge when scrubbing. Never use a rough sponge or you may damage and wear the Teflon coating. After using this air fryer for about 1.5 years, the condition is still very good. I have never encountered any problems at all. Even though it comes with a 2-year guarantee, I have never had to claim anything, so I'm very satisfied with this product. Philips has been the air frying experts and leaders for more than 10 years, and I think this proves their excellence. So thank you again for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you all. Please do leave your comments or questions in the provided section. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already for more honest reviews of products.